Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to pay a Metro PCS bill for someone else. And it was actually very easy, so I found out when you come to their website, okay, the Metro website, you just come and click here at the top right, Easy Pay. And when you click on Easy Pay, they redirect you to this website and you're able to even pay as a guest. So you don't even have to log in, okay? You just pay as a guest, so you enter the phone number of the other person, and then you confirm the number again, toggle this one on, okay, that you're not a robot, go ahead and click on next, and then they just ask you to put in your payment information. For example, your credit card number, the expiration date, and CVV code. And then you can just go ahead and pay for it after you enter the amount. And it was really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.